Traders, Tommy Trader here. Affirm, buy now, pay later stock had a huge gap this morning, and we took this trade. We took it straight up to that resistance line, and then we unloaded the stock. Yes, we did use the call options on the $40 call strike price, and we hit a high of 51.56. So when we take a look, it's almost a $9 move. Buy now, pay later, Affirm was a high flying stock, as it was. So when we take a look at a weekly chart on Affirm, we can clearly see here where we are testing the last downtrend. That is the trend line, and that is called resistance. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Use the comment sections. There's comments, there's tools there to let you communicate with me so that I can be of help to you. Knowing when to sell, taking the fast gain, we can see that we tested that 50-day moving average on 1030, and we started buying it. We've been holding it for a while, and we've traded it over the last few years and have made a lot of money on buy now, pay later stocks. Once again, knowing when to sell, sign up. We took the profits. Knowing when to sell is what counts.